Hello everyone, I'm Sam from Just Dive Croatia. Hello everyone, it was today a very rainy day. That's why I made this vlog completely indoors. What I want to explain you in this video is it can happen by your BCD, the strap. The biggest strap is going to be open. But now I'm going to explain you how to put it back together. So really sometimes it can happen that your strap is completely open, like this. Then a lot of people are getting a little bit of headache and they have no clue how to put it completely together. Different kind of brands, normally they put a small label on the bigger strap. Or sometimes it's written on the buckle with numbers on it from the down part or from the top. But it can happen after many times diving that this label is going to go completely off, or you don't see the numbers anymore, or the arrows. There's also sometimes on the buckle. So how to do it? I'm going to make a small close-up for you. So first what you're going to do is make this buckle completely straight, like this. If you notice, there's 3 openings. This we call number 1, this number 2, and this number 3. So the first what we are going to do in the end of the strap is we go completely to the end, like this. And then from the back side, we go through the second one. Completely through, like this, if you noticed. And then in the end of it you go through the first one, like this one, and then through the end here, and then you go through the last one. I hope that you can see it through the last one, and then you pull it like this. I hope this video is helping you. Yeah, if you forgot how to do it, you can always repeat this video. So guys, if you want to help Just Dive Croatia, you can always make the thumbs up or press this button for subscribe, or share it, or make a comment down below. I hope to see you soon.